Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to back up your Tonkeeper wallet. So for you to be able to back up Tonkeeper wallet, you have to open the Tonkeeper app on your phone. Then you tap on the gear button. From there you tap on backup. Then you manually back up your wallet. Then you click on continue. Then right here you enter your passcode for this wallet, which is good for this. Then you'll be given a 24 recovery phrase. Make sure you keep this very well, because this is what you can use. So this is what you can use to recover your wallet in case you lose it. So I'm just going to click on check backup. So from here you're just going to fill in copied number or the recovery phrase copy for the other time. Just going to input it here. Number 12, first the words that follow number 12, the words that follow under number 19, and the words that falls under number 23. Once you're done, then click on done. Then your account is fully back up. Find it helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.